Some experiments humans did are so insane, they sound like fiction, but they actually happened. From psychological torture to extreme medical trials, these experiments were done in the name of science. But the real test was on humanity itself. Fact 1: the Milgram shock experiment. In the 1960s, Stanley Milgram tested obedience to authority. Volunteers were told to administer electric shocks to another person whenever they answered incorrectly. The shocking truth: most participants continued to give what they believed were dangerously high shocks, even as the other person screamed in pain. This experiment revealed one dark side of humanity. People will obey authority, even if it means hurting others. Fact 2: the Stanford Prison Experiment. In 1971, psychologist Philip Zimbardo created a mock prison. Students were randomly assigned roles: guards or prisoners. Within days, guards became cruel, enforcing rules with intimidation and humiliation. Prisoners broke down emotionally. The experiment was supposed to last 2 weeks, but it was stopped after only 6 days. It showed how ordinary people can turn cruel when given power. Fact 3: the Monster Study. In 1939, Wendell Johnson tested speech therapy on orphan children. Half received positive encouragement, the other half were criticized for every speech mistake. The result: children who were criticized developed lifelong stuttering and anxiety, all in the name of research. Some experiments left scars that lasted a lifetime. Fact 4: Little Albert Experiment. In 1920, John Watson conditioned a baby, called Little Albert, to fear furry animals. Every time Albert reached for a rabbit, a loud clanging sound was made. Soon, the baby became terrified not only of rabbits, but of all soft, fluffy objects. It proved that fear can be taught, but at what cost to the child's well-being? Fact 5: Sleep Deprivation Experiments. Sleep deprivation experiments were conducted to study mental breakdowns. Subjects were forced to stay awake for days at a time. They experienced hallucinations, paranoia, and emotional collapse. Some were permanently affected by these tests. It's a chilling reminder. Our minds depend on rest, and science sometimes ignores that. Fact 6: MK-Ultra Experiments. In the 1950s and 60s, the CIA ran MK-Ultra, a mind control program. Subjects were unknowingly given LSD, hypnotized, and psychologically tortured. The goal: to control the human mind. Some participants suffered permanent psychological damage, all without consent. These experiments weren't just about science. They were a test of humanity itself. If this made you uncomfortable, that's because the truth often is. Watch the full playlist of dark psychological and real-life creepy facts. For more experiments humans actually did, subscribe.